Welcome to Garden Art Corner, your ultimate destination for creative garden art, decor, and craft ideas to transform your outdoor spaces. Today we are diving into something truly spectacular with 15 magical DIY water feature ideas using reclaimed old bricks and stones. These charming projects will bring a soothing melody and timeless character to your backyard without breaking the bank. Before we begin exploring these stunning ideas, make sure to comment your thoughts below. Like this video, share it with your fellow gardening enthusiasts, and subscribe to our channel for more inspiration. This charming feature uses a small stack of weathered red bricks to create a bubbling tabletop fountain. A hidden pump pushes water up through the center block, allowing it to spill gently down the mossy surfaces. It fits beautifully into cozy corners and can be assembled in just an afternoon. The soft ambient sound instantly turns a quiet patio into a peaceful sanctuary. Flat river stones are stacked carefully to mimic a natural mountain stream right against your boundary wall. Water trickles down the jagged steps, catching the light and creating a hypnotic shimmering effect. You can accent the base with moisture-loving ferns and native green foliage. This design brings an organic, wild aesthetic that blends perfectly into established landscapes. Reclaimed bricks are laid in a beautiful spiral pattern to form a shallow water basin. The central spout gently fills the spiral, causing water to swirl outward before disappearing into an underground reservoir. This architectural focal point adds deep visual interest and a sense of movement to open lawns. Its geometric yet historic vibe makes it an instant conversation starter for guests. Utilizing salvaged cobblestones, this multi-tiered waterfall creates a more dramatic and robust sound. Each layer is slightly offset to ensure the water tumbles dynamically from one tier to the next. It provides an excellent way to use leftover stones from old paving projects. Birds will love visiting this tiered design for an afternoon splash and drink. A small decorative spout is embedded directly into a newly constructed or existing brick wall structure. Water pours gracefully from the spout into a semicircular stone trough positioned beneath it. It evokes the romantic hidden feeling of an old European courtyard estate. Climbing ivy can be trained around the bricks to enhance the vintage fairy tale charm. Three mismatched stone columns are drilled through the center and grouped tightly together. Water wells up from the tops of the pillars, hugging the rough stone textures as it flows downward. The minimalistic design offers a modern twist on reclaimed rustic materials. Surrounding the base with smooth black pebbles completes the clean, meditative look. Reclaimed bricks line a narrow, winding trench to form a miniature stream through your flower beds. A low-flow pump recirculates water from the end of the path back to the starting point. This feature gracefully guides the eye through your garden layout while providing consistent movement. It is an ingenious way to break up large expanses of mulch or soil. Thin sheets of reclaimed slate are stacked horizontally against a sturdy background frame. A continuous sheet of water glides smoothly over the dark, textured slate surface. This creates a highly reflective quality that amplifies the ambient light of your garden. It serves as an elegant, contemporary divider or privacy screen for outdoor living areas. Large weathered fieldstones are arranged to form the organic border of a sunken wildlife pool. A small solar pump keeps the water oxygenated, preventing stagnation and attracting local fauna. Wildflowers and colorful perennials planted around the edge complete the romantic cottage style. It offers a low-maintenance solution for bringing biodiversity and tranquility to your yard. Old paving bricks are arranged around a central bubbling stone to mimic a historic pathway. The water flows over the bricks, deepening their rich earthy tones and highlighting weathered cracks. This design incorporates horizontal elements beautifully, making it safer for families with small children. It proves that even broken, discarded bricks can become the cornerstone of backyard art. A single massive piece of reclaimed limestone is hollowed out slightly to serve as a natural bowl. Water gently spills over its wide, pale edge into a bed of contrasting river rocks below. The stark contrast between the bright limestone and dark wet stones looks stunning after rainfall. It requires very little space, making it ideal for compact urban garden layouts. An old terracotta amphora jar is nestled securely inside a supportive mound of crumbling bricks. Water overflows from the mouth of the tilted jar, washing over the surrounding brick pile. This creates a beautiful archaeological ruins aesthetic that feels rich with history. It is a fantastic option for recycling damaged garden pottery alongside old masonry. Leftover flagstones are arranged into a mini staircase that guides water down a gentle slope. Each step creates a distinct, crisp splashing sound that masks unwanted neighborhood noise. This linear water feature fits exceptionally well alongside garden walkways or steps. It combines functionality and beauty by naturally managing the elevation changes of your yard. Chunks of rough-hewn reclaimed granite are stacked to form a small, dark, cavernous niche. A gentle drip inside the grotto creates an echo that amplifies the soothing auditory experience. Shade plants like mosses and hostas flourish beautifully in the damp environment around it. This unique installation brings a sense of ancient mystery and deep shade to sunny gardens. A salvaged circular stone millstone sits atop a sturdy foundation of old red masonry bricks. Water bubbles from the center hole and spreads evenly across the entire surface like a glass dome. This final design perfectly encapsulates the magic of breathing new life into forgotten, historic remnants. We hope you love these creative ideas. So please remember to comment, like, share, and subscribe to Garden Art Corner for more garden inspiration. And goodbye until next time.